Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Carson Grovey. Well, today we're gonna open up some surprises. I have this, I have this, and I have this. Today we're gonna open up some surprises. Today we're gonna first open up some Hello Kitty. This guy opened, and we'll see what we got. My Melody. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ah yes, My Melody. Damn. Damn. Oh wait, it's My Melody. Fuck do I? How the fuck do I? There we go. So that was the first one. Next we're gonna open up the Joker-mobile. The freaking Joker-mobile. Anyway, I'll just put this down right here. Open up this. See this shit? You gotta open up. Fuck. What the fuck? Lied. Lied. Well, here he is with the city Joker-mobile. Anyway, finally we're gonna open up the Monopoly one. So we cannot till the accessed off. I would accessed. So we can damn, ow my fucking hands. Ow my. Yeah, we don't get to open the box. Yeah, we don't get to open the box. Here we go. Here's success. This is Monopoly on it. Monopoly.
Thank you.
We're not online, we're in the store. And that's the bad thing, it's online. That would be video and
Damn.